I'm going to share a few facts about, look back. It's pizza! Yummy! Pizza has a long history. Its origin is Italy. Pizzas are made and sold in Pizzeria or pizza parlors. Pizzas are the number one addictive food in the world. Are you addicted to pizza? Today I am going to show you how to make pizza. This is the crust, which is the foundation, and this is the tomato sauce, which is the marinara. And I'm going to put the tomato sauce on the pizza. Now it's time to add some toppings, and I'm going to add my favorite toppings like pepperoni and stuff. I like those kind of toppings. If you're a vegan, you can choose any topping you like. If you're a vegetarian, you can also put vegetables, and you can also put some sweet pizzas and some candy to make a candy pizza. Finally, we're going to top it up with some cheese. Since the pizza is ready, now I'm going to put it on the pizza stone and then bake it and then into our tummy. Enough talking. I'm really craving for some pizza. I really want some pizza as well. Pizza, where are you? Huh? How did pizza get here? I really want to eat some, so I'm just gonna go ahead and eat some. I'm gonna pull these things off. Now I'm gonna add the ketchup. There's plenty of cheese, and that's called the cheese locked. And my favorite part is the cheese pull. I'm gonna pull this. Look yummy, isn't it? It is truly good. This freshly baked pizza has made my good day today. I don't think I can eat this pizza bone. I'm just gonna leave it in the side for now. I'm just gonna enjoy my whole piece of pizza and then meet you in my next video. Bye! Don't forget to subscribe to Riya Zaf.